Hello, hi. It was a busy weekend. My daughter had her birthday party, and then I went to a friend's birthday party, and now it is Monday. And I don't know what this vlog is going to be like, but I do have some things that we have to do today. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Shelly. I am a part-time artist working to have the goal of being a full-time artist, but I will accept for my art to actually just pay for itself. So come along with me and we will just see what we get into today. I did get a sticker order, so we're gonna definitely fill that order today and definitely do a whole lot of painting. But let me show you what I've done. I actually signed a whole bunch of stuff over here because I got to start sealing my stones. So here's one. This one I think is pretty much done. I have to take the lines off of it. And then I've got this tea light holder, which is turning out so nice. Definitely giving me I'm not sure, Indian art, right? Like, or, okay, forgive me. I know Aladdin, like the Disney Aladdin, is not completely cultural based, so please forgive me if you are, some of you are those, but I'm definitely getting those kind of vibes with this one. I really love it. And then my little jar. Oh, I haven't shown you this one. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. And I think I'm done with it. I think it's complete, and I don't think I need to do anything else, but I need to start sealing them, getting them ready. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some more painting. I started this yesterday. Again, I am just loving it. I'm loving how these guys are turning out. But we're gonna do some painting, work on some acorns, fill that order, which I am so grateful when I get orders because they are so few and far between lately. But we're gonna fill those orders and get busy on our day because pickup, I have to leave. Let's see here, what time is this? I did drop off. It is 9:11 right now. I only have 9, 10, 11, 12. I only have 4 hours to do a whole bunch of work. So hopefully I can stay focused and get things done. All right. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, we did a lot of painting today. I feel like I haven't done a lot of painting, but I actually have. I don't know. I also am starting, I'm going to use this, which is a teal mint paint. And it's kind of like, it's teal mint. So I'm making like a swatch to see how that looks. But let me show you some of the things that we did do. And then we are going to head off to my daughter's school, sit at the pickup line. And I think we're going to try and take Jax for a little walk, see how he does. We're probably just going to go over into the grassy area and see. And hopefully his toe doesn't bleed. But I don't know. We'll see. And I might have some time to do some drawing in the car. So I'm going to bring some extra filming stuff. I need to listen to my Bible and do some journaling and things like that. So we're going to do that. I'm going to see how Jackie does. He's doing fine, by the way. It's been almost a week since he lost his toenail. But he's going to be just fine. And then tonight, we are going to watch some more Star Wars, enjoy some family time, because tomorrow is my daughter's day one of tryouts for soccer for next season. So it'll be interesting to see what happens there. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm hoping that I'll get more painting done this week. We will see. We will find out together. All right. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. See ya. I don't even remember the last time I talked to you guys or what it was about or anything, but today is Thursday, and I'm heading over to my daughter's school to volunteer for a bit, and then I'm gonna have some time to do some drawing. And I'm actually really inspired to do something for Mother's Day, and it's not gonna be what you think it's gonna be. So let's head over there, and after, I'll check in with you guys when I get back to the car. All right, let's go. Well, okay, I just realized that I have to go over to the district office to find out some volunteer stuff. It's testing week at the girls' school, and it's hard. State tests are hard. I'll just say that. And I can't help but think about the teachers and everything that they have to do and try, or what they can't do because of the state tests, but it is what it is. All right, we're going to go make a trip, and then we're going to go over to the pickup line and wait and do some drawing, and I'm going to share it with you. All right, I just got done finishing my drawing. I started it in the car, but it's for Mother's Day, and I cannot tell you how excited I am. And I have a specific post that's going out for Mother's Day, and I heard this fact about it, and I'll just show you. You want to see it? Okay, hold on. Let me turn it around. It's a white flamingo. So when flamingos become parents, they provide all their nutrients that make them pink into their babies. And it's so beautiful. Oh, my kid's here. Hold on. Okay, so it wasn't my kid, it was my husband. So the whole thing about white flamingos is that because they are giving so much to their kids, to their babies, that they lose their color. And I just thought it was so fitting because sometimes as parents, we give so much to our kids to a point where we are completely depleted. And I just thought it would be a great metaphor. By the time you guys see this, it'll already be Mother's Day. But I just really love how it turned out. So cool. But I think that's going to be it for me for today. Hopefully I will get some more painting time tomorrow. And then it's going to be a busy weekend. Mother's Day is on Sunday. So I'm hoping maybe I'll get some extra painting time. That's what I want. And I think I'm going to make myself a cake. Because I want to. And it's Mother's Day and I can do what I want. All right. Okay. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello, good morning. It is Saturday. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. I actually woke up at like 3 and tried to go back to sleep, but couldn't go back to sleep. So I woke up at 2, tried my best to go back to sleep, was just struggling. And I decided to just get up at like 3:30 and start working on my vlog because we have a busy day today, super busy day today with the kids being home and stuff. And so I didn't want to be spending too much time doing editing and stuff like that. So I got up early to take care of that stuff. So then hopefully I will actually have time to paint. And I think it's going to probably be that way for a bit because I really need to be painting. I need to be doing art stuff instead of spending all my time editing. I actually thought about just taking the next 2 weeks off of like social media and vlogs, but I know I can't do that because of, to be completely honest, the algorithm. So I have to keep staying engaged with you guys, which is also very important to me because I've seen a lot more interaction on my videos, which I really appreciate so much. And more people are seeing it actually, which is great. So we're working on some editing this morning, trying to get my vlog done before the girls get up for the day. That is my goal. My husband's gonna wake up here soon and be like, what are you doing? It is what it is. Okay. All right. I'm gonna keep editing and hopefully I can get some more stuff done and I will check in with you guys later. All right. Bye. All right. Okay. All right. Well, I have to tell you something. I spent 7 hours editing. Not good. Not good. But in my defense, this vlog that I just finished is about 45 minutes long. That's really long, and there was a lot that happened. There was a lot of editing. So it took me way longer than I wanted it to, but this is also with me stopping, feeding my kids, and doing all that stuff. So that took me way longer than I want. And I did do a post to promote my vlog on social media. Okay. Anyway, I think this is going to be the end of this vlog. Tomorrow is Sunday and it's Mother's Day, and I will share some stuff. I think it would be really fun. I do unfortunately know one of my gifts, and the reason why is because I helped my daughter make it in class. But I'm very excited to see what she wrote in it, because I only saw what she drew. It's a card, and the drawing I saw, the poem I did not. So I'm very excited to read that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and, liking, get notifications, all that stuff. I hate asking, but I need to. So let's leave. What kind of emoji should we leave this week? Let's do a purple heart again because I can't think of anything right now. Leave me a purple heart so I can say thank you to you for doing that. And I think maybe in the future I might do a giveaway. And there's pretty much only one person who's been, or actually two people who've been consistently watching my vlogs all the way to the end. So if you make it all the way to the end and leave me a comment, I might start doing a giveaway, but it'll be US only giveaway. So, and I'll probably do that every month. That sounds like something fun to do. Maybe we'll do that in the next vlog. Okay, Keep creating and growing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.